A school issue was again addressed in the legislature as the House of Representatives passed a bill that allows school districts to keep their savings without worry of state interference.
I don't think the state should be in the business of penalizing fiscally responsible and frugal school districts who try to do the right thing.
Meanwhile, the Republican majority releases its budget targets. This session, you can read all about the happenings of the House. The free nonpartisan magazine, Session Weekly, keeps you up to date, providing in-depth coverage of the House committees and floor action. Here's a glimpse of what you can expect from the professional staff of writers, editors, and photographers in this week's edition of Session Weekly. House File 262 aims to curb what are referred to by healthcare providers as frequent flyers, people who use ambulance services and hospital emergency rooms often, many times when they may not be needed. Session Weekly looks at what could help solve this issue. Plus, a legend in the House of Representatives has died. Session Weekly features fond memories from those who knew well Edward A. Burdick, the former chief clerk of the House. And over the past several years, redesign of state government has become a hot topic. Session Weekly writer Nick Bussey looks at why reform has a better chance of being realized this year.
Well, what's interesting, I think, is that by the end of this year and over the next couple of years, state government could really look very different in Minnesota. There are a lot of different proposals out there, and they really kind of run the gamut from everything from pay for performance to literally cutting state agencies to reducing the workforce, things like that. And they've been kind of spread out all over the place, and I think what we're going to see now in the next couple of weeks is they're going to be all sort of put together into the state government finance bill. And so it's going to be really interesting to see that bill when it takes its final shape, what's all in there, because it really could make government look very different the next couple of years.
Session Weekly will be providing coverage throughout the legislative session, keeping you informed and up to date.